Hello everybody, welcome back to today's daily video, and I want to talk to you about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I hear still quite a lot of optimism about especially Ethereum or some other altcoins, and I want to share my view because what I can see is like by no mean a good structure at all. This is actually it's actually a terrible structure. First of all, we did break below the bull market support band. And right now on weekly, I think we may be retesting it back. Bull market support band is this yellowish channel here, okay? And so I think that the current move on weekly as we're having is going to end up somewhere in the window between 0.034 and 0.037. I think that's where we are going to top. And after that, I think we're again gonna go actually lower. Also, when you look at these trend lines, and therein also lies the biggest problem that I have with this chart. When you look at this trend line, so first of all, this is what I have here. You can pause the video, read it. It's the oldest trend line, and I think it's the most powerful one. And we have been reacting from that, so that trend line does work, okay? So we had, once we lost it, we retested it back, and then we dropped much lower, and we basically got back above it for a week, but only we got there to retest this red trend line, which was basically the top from 2017, 2022, and then actually another hit, and then we had another hit in 2025. So like, so beautiful, so many hits, that it would be not, in my opinion, the optimal to ignore that. So we got above this green just to retest this red and broke back above, and we retested this green back from the below, and we failed to break back above. So of course I'm not saying that Ethereum is here not to stay. I believe it's gonna go bigger over time, but as of yet I do not think it's bullish at all.